To get started with using Safari browser on your iPhone, first locate the Safari app on your home screen. It is a blue icon with a compass symbol inside. Tap on the icon to open the Safari browser. Once the browser is open, you will see the address bar at the top of the screen where you can type in the website you want to visit. You can also use the bookmarks and tabs buttons located at the bottom of the screen. The bookmarks button is represented by a book symbol and the tabs button is represented by two squares. To search for a website, tap on the address bar and type in the website's URL or keywords. You can also use voice search by tapping the microphone symbol on the keyboard. To navigate through web pages, use the forward and backward buttons at the bottom of the screen. You can also use the refresh button to reload a web page. To switch between tabs, tap on the tabs button and swipe left or right to navigate through your open tabs. You can also close tabs by swiping them upwards. For private browsing, tap on the tabs button and then tap on the private button at the bottom of the screen. This will open a new private tab where your browsing history will not be saved. To bookmark a web page, tap on the Share button at the bottom of the screen and then tap on the Add Bookmark button. You can also add the web page to your reading list or share it with others. To customize your Safari browser, go to the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to the Safari section. From here, you can adjust settings such as your default search engine, cookies, and pop-up blockers. By following these steps, you can effectively use the Safari browser on your iPhone and enjoy a seamless browsing experience. Remember to always keep your browser and operating system up to date to ensure you have the latest security features and improvements.